Alright guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of these Gamma Prodigies. I gotta run to work, so running a little bit late. These are the first shavers with built-in wireless charging. Something that we definitely had aspirations to do in the future, but Gamma beat us to it with the shavers. Love the packaging, thought the packaging was dope. They're not metal, I don't think they're metal. They do feel good, they do feel premium. It feels like a premium plastic though. Ooh, I feel like I almost cut myself. But there's the cutting blades, guys. All right, I like the power button. They sound pretty powerful. And then you can see that they also charge with mini USB. Let's see if it works with the Tune 45 powered mat. Ready? Here we go. Yep, it works. That's dope. I got another package here that came in. Gamma has been showering me with gifts. Oh, they got like little brushes. Oh, look at this. They sent me a Eversense blade and Gamma's on it. Interesting. So Eversense, they must have teamed up with Gamma. This is a collab with Gamma, the absolute hitter, and those are the blades. So I'm gonna try these out for the absolute hitter. That's dope, Austin. I appreciate that. He also sent me another blade. We're gonna try all these out. Oh, and somebody asked me as well if we sell these power clips for anything outside of Babeless, and we sell them for pretty much all the major brands. You can see we also sell them for this. You just gotta go on the website and you'll see all the clippers, the models, and the brands that we sell the power clips for. We haven't done any for Gamma as of yet, but we do plan on doing some stuff for Gamma as well as the other clipper brands, little by little as we expand. All right, guys, where are we going? Where are we going, guys? We're going to Orlando. We got a big Airbnb. It's Kai's birthday, right? Yeah. His first birthday.
He's turning 1.
Turning 1 years old. So we're gonna have a good time. Mama, you ready?
1 year old. There's no such thing as 1 year.
1 year old.
Got it!
All right, yo, we are here live, full effect. We're about to start playing some Monopolies. About to teach these. Fonz, you not gonna play Monopoly? So boring these days.
Somebody said shoot nice.
Look at him, my brother's stretching his neck. Look at him.
So I didn't want to record too much of the weekend. It was Kai, Dre's 1 year old's first birthday. We got to stay the weekend at this Airbnb and it was a good time, man. I wanted to focus on the families. I didn't record too much. Caught a little glimpse of it. You felt the vibes, I hope, I think. But with that being said, we're back to work. It is Monday. Just dropped a tutorial. Just had a meeting with some of our team members that we're working on a project you guys don't know about just yet. Every now and then I get updates, but most of the time the team is working behind the scenes. And today's project is we are going to put no drip on Amazon. I'll give you guys some tips probably about Amazon if you care to learn. If not, you can skip this part. One of the most important things is reviews. We are going to try to be as descriptive as possible really on our listing so that people aren't confused what no drip is and what to expect from it, because a lot of times that can really hurt your listing, or Amazon might get back. They might even take your listing off if they feel that you don't describe the product as good as possible. And when I say you gotta dumb it down, you have to dumb it down, because you can't say anything that might mislead someone, because one of just a few complaints will destroy your listing and your relationship with Amazon. So we're gonna try to be as descriptive as possible, but just know in the next few weeks we should have no drip on Amazon. I'll update you guys, of course. And if you decide to order from Amazon, obviously we get less margins, but if you decide to order from Amazon, it still helps us because we get more volume that way. And if you like the convenience of Amazon, go for it. But the one thing that I would ask guys is write a review, because that's what helps an Amazon listing take off. The reviews help it take off, and it's your reviews, guys, that has helped our shave gel be one of the top sellers as far as shaving products on Amazon, up there with the Gillettes and stuff. So you guys have helped us out, man, and through helping us out and us learning, I just want to give you those nuggets. So if you decide to list something on Amazon, you know some of the most important factors of a proper listing. Yeah, click on it, go to edit, go to vital info, yeah, add brown black. Right now we are walking Dre through adding something on Amazon that is new. That's what the back end looks like. You gotta fill all that stuff out. Is the SKU right? The SKU number? Product ID is the UPC, is the barcode, that right there, guys. That's something that you get from gs1.us.org. You gotta sign up for their services. That's something that Amazon needs you to do. Or if you don't have a GS1 number for each of your products, they will charge you to put their own barcodes on, or you gotta print out a barcode and print it out and stick it on each of your products. You could imagine if you're doing some serious volumes on Amazon, could you imagine if you're selling like 2,000-3,000 pieces a month, having to stick 2,000 to 3,000 stickers onto your products? It's not worth it. So just pay for the GS1. Maybe you start off with Amazon doing it and take the hit, but eventually you want to do this gs1.us.org. Let's focus on actually adding this. Should be on Amazon in a couple weeks. We got a ring installed in the warehouse. You gotta hit that ring before we open this door. The reason why we installed that ring is because there's no people, and when somebody knocks on the door, Dre gets scared that he might be opening the door to a robber. So in order to make him feel safe, we got some security cameras for him. You feel safe now?
Yep, safe as a seatbelt.
Alright, 2:45, I gotta talk to you guys. We made a big mistake. So my boy Oscar, who was giving away the corded masters, was so excited about it. I think he just got confused with how the giveaway was gonna work, and he gave them away. So I think he went himself into the comment section and picked somebody. So he did give them away, but I know you guys are upset. He felt so bad about it. We talked about it and we figured it out. We are going to still give his choice those corded masters, and I'm still gonna do the giveaway today, but we're gonna give away these cordless seniors with the power clip with a battery. I don't have a battery on me. Hopefully, Georgia, maybe you can put a picture somewhere around here. Show them the 245 legendary eco battery. So I'm gonna give you guys an eco battery, cordless seniors, and the power clip. I'm gonna give you my pair right here. We'll be giving that away today. Are you guys ready to find out who won? Let me capture this on my screen. All right, you guys can see this is our boy Oscar. I'm going to copy and paste on comment picker, which is a randomizer. Let's go ahead and put the link in there. So we are filtering duplicate users, which means I don't care how many times you commented your information, you don't win. Guys, if you did not put your information to reach out to you, we're just gonna skip and choose another person. The directions where you got to put some way I can contact you, whether that's your email, that's your Facebook, or that's your Instagram. So if I can't reach out to you, we're just gonna move on to the next. All right, get YouTube comments. It is loading. 451 comments. That's excluding duplicates. Start raffle. You guys ready? Here we go. Who won? Who won? The winner is Nick Ornelas, and look, he got his Instagram there. Nick, Bald and Blades, you are the winner, dude. I'm gonna screenshot this. So Nick, congratulations, bro. I'm gonna be reaching out to you. You won cordless seniors with the power clip, and I'm gonna throw in 245's eco battery, the legendary battery, all the stuff you can get at 245.com besides the clippers. And so we actually got two winners out of this. Somebody won the corded masters, and somebody just won some cordless seniors. How dope is that? Oh, what do you guys think about monthly giveaways? So we do monthly giveaways on 245academy.com, and obviously your odds are higher of winning giveaways at 245.com because the way that we do it is the educators on 245.com will choose someone that gets raffles, and you earn raffles by showing up to the live streams, by engaging in the Discord, and every now and then an educator might say, hey man, you've been very helpful, I'm gonna give you a raffle ticket, and then at the end of the month we will raffle and somebody's gonna win a dope prize. So what do you guys think about doing that, a monthly giveaway? Alright guys, one more thing. I wanted to share this with you. All right, we're gonna look at my chart like this. So this is M1 Finance. I've already shared you guys a link of M1 Finance, but I'm gonna put it in the link in the description below every single time. When you use my link, you get $20, I get $20 to use towards stock. But anyway, so it's free money. I have changed my pie a little bit here. 36% Tesla. I really mess with Tesla, and I think they're gonna grow the most few years. I got 18% in Amazon. Over 50% of my pie is Tesla and Amazon. I mean, I think we can all agree they're set to grow for the next 10 years. And then I got other growth stocks like Redfin, which is a real estate stock, Square. I got Snowflake and Chase that I added recently. I love Chase because I love their credit cards. And I think out of all the old school banks or the conventional banking, they're the ones that are going to survive or be around the longest. And then I got Netflix because obviously that's When it comes to cutting the cord, Netflix is on top, and I got Walmart, just to be a little diverse and have some type of brick and mortar here. Now, why am I doing this? So you guys know I didn't really like stocks. I always said, if you got some money, the best place to put it is investing it in your own business, not in someone else's business. You're in control. And I understand there's some people that aren't into that, don't want to run their own business, don't want that headache, and that's fine. Invest it in your own craft. Invest it in yourself in some way, shape, or form. You are a business, as Jay-Z would say, right? So I always say invest your money in yourself first, and then once you've done that, you feel good, you're maximizing a lot of your potential, then you can start looking at other sources of income. And then I always say my next one is going to be real estate. I love real estate. Me and Danny, we talk about diversifying into real estate all the time. Now, as you are growing your sources of income and you're growing your profits every year, I would expect everyone to have a goal to grow an income every year. Whether you're trying to jump from $50,000 a year to $100,000 a year, I definitely encourage it. At some point, you're gonna grow to a point where you're kind of maximizing a lot of these verticals, or there's only so much you can do in those verticals, and you still have some cash flow coming in that you would like to invest. And that's why I just started investing in stocks. I've done it in the past, I've made money in it, but I never was committed. It wasn't a long-term thing for me. Where right now, all I'm gonna do is invest in growth stocks, but check this out, guys. Because I went this direction, I'm able to invest a lot into the stock market. I'm going to try to invest about $3,000 a month. This isn't something I would have been able to do just last year, but because I prioritized on investments that provided a lot of cash flow, I'm able to have some excess cash flow that I can put a substantial amount into the stock market. And if I get a decent return, you are talking about some serious money in this lifetime. You're talking about compounding. I get a calculator because I 1.7 GPA in high school. All right, let's say on the low end, I'm investing into the stock market $36,000 a year. Think about the compounding effect of $36,000 a year investing into growth stocks. Let me show you a channel that I really enjoy that I think really sets it into perspective. Chicken Genius Singapore. I also like this channel right here, Dumb Money. And they talk about the Warren Buffett strategy. Don't diversify too much. If you know a company that you know is going to win, put a bunch of money into it. And you guys know that a lot of these stocks that I showed you in that chart have doubled year after year after year. Now, that's not gonna happen for 10 years straight. But while they're in growth stages, you have to look at their potential versus where they're at, in my opinion. And now that I own my own business and I've been running my own company and we've been targeting 100% growth every single year, I know that these companies do the same thing. And because they have crazy amounts of potential, a lot of these guys only own 1% market share, 2% market share, but they're the most innovative and they have so much potential to get much more market share than that. So even if they only double their market share, going from 1% to 2%, they reinvest all their money that they're making as opposed to trying to make a profit every year, as long as they're putting that money back into the company for growth. Either way, your money should grow exponentially. It should be good. So that's going to be the strategy. I'm going to invest that money. Now, I'm not a financial advisor or nothing like that. I'm just an entrepreneur that is interested in stuff like this. And I want to share my barbers that follow me some type of way to invest their money. You guys decide what you want to do. Don't go crazy. Remember, I'm investing money I'm not afraid to lose. And I know it's a lot of money. Over the course of 10 years, I put myself in a position where I can afford to lose that now. And that's why I always press, don't rush the process, follow the journey. It will pay off. It's gonna take time. I started with just being a barber behind the chair and maximizing that, and then doing YouTube. That became another source of income. Then I started my own company with 245, another source of income. Started the academy, that's another source of income. Started an online course, another source of income. Started going and teaching because I became guru in my space. And so I've created a bunch of sources of income. I own barbershops. I own 5 barbershops. Used to be 7, closed down 2. But there's sources of income coming in to where I humbled myself. I was patient. Now I'm in a position where I can invest, $36,000 a year into the stock market. I'm not gonna be checking my app every single day. That's the key. This is money that you put in there and you do not take out for a few years. You definitely don't want to take it out before 2 years because you don't want to pay the taxes that you would pay if you take it out before a year or 2 years. I'm not sure. Yeah, I want to give you some nuggets in this vlog. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did it, I'm sorry for wasting your time. But if you did, Smash the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you thought. What companies am I missing in that pie? I want growth stocks. I want stocks that are gonna grow. I want the most innovative companies that have potential to double in value every single year, or double in revenues, in gross revenues every single year for the next 10 years. What is your list? Let me know in the comments below. I will pin the list I like the most. See you guys in the next video.